Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to understand some mathematical functions used in SQL. Okay, first let me run this query. It will use the company database. Okay, now we will create a table named employee. There we have employee ID, first name, last name, salary, department, joining date. Now we are going to insert some values inside the table. Okay, now let me show you the table. See, employee ID, first name, last name, salary, department, joining date. Okay, now we are going to learn some mathematical functions. Okay, the first question is absolute value of the salary. See here, you can see one salary is in negative form, but I want the absolute value, no positive or no negative sign. Okay, so for that you have to write select ABS of salary from table name. Okay, you just have to write absolute function ABS. Now see, all the salary is in absolute value, no positive or no negative sign. Or I can write name comma, then it will show you the name also. What happened? Sorry, to write first name. See now. Okay, one salary was on negative, Michael, but you can see that is also in absolute manner. Okay, perfect. Now round the salary to the nearest integer. So we can write select round salary comma 0 from employee. First let me show you the table. See here 0.50, 0.00, 0.75. Now you see the output that it will be rounded. Let me show you. Clear? Nearest integer. If I write salary comma 1, then see what happens. Only one value after point. Okay, clear? So you can round it to the nearest integer or you can round it as you required. For that you just have to use round function. Now square root of the salary. So we can write select, the function name is sqrt, salary from table name. Now see what happens. Root is calculated, but for negative number you cannot calculate root, so that's why it is in null. Now get the sign of the salary. So we can write select. I want to know who is getting in positive salary or negative salary. Though it looks absurd, nobody will get negative salary. Still, we can get the sign of salary column from employee. Now say if I run this, see everyone is getting positive, but the last one Michael is getting negative salary. Okay. Now raise the salary to the power of 2. So select power salary to 2 from employee. If you want to make the power of 3, then you have to write salary comma 3. Okay. Now if you want, you can rename also by using the as keyword. Okay. Now the next one. Ceiling of the salary. So round up to the nearest integer. See, select cell salary from employee. Okay, so this will make the ceiling of the salary. See, earlier it was 55,000,000.50. So it has become 55,000,000, sorry, 001. Okay. Second one, see, 45,000.75. Now you can see 45001. Okay, so it is rounded up to the nearest integer. Now if you want, you can floor also, then it will round down. Now see, select floor salary from employee. Now what will be the output? Instead of 55001, it will be 55,000,000. Now let me run this. Select floor salary from employee. Okay, see now. Okay, 55,000,000. Take any other value like 45,000,000.75. See, 45,000,000. Okay, so to round up you have to use ceiling, CEIL. To floor, I mean to round down you have to use floor. Okay, now say I want to know the exponent of the salary. So I can write select exp salary from employee. Now it is exponentially raised. Here it is showing out of range, but if you want to calculate you can use this function. Now sign of the salary. Select sign salary from employee. If you want to calculate the sign value of any number, then you can write sign of salary. Okay, or you can, if you just I show you, select sign of 0. Now see, Sign of 0 means 0. So that is why sign of 0. Okay. Cosine of salary. So select COS of salary from employee. Okay. Now, so let me show you the COS value. Okay. Cos value. Now, if I write cos of 0, then cos of 0 is 1. So that is why 1. Okay. Clear. Same. The last one. Tangent of salary. Select tan salary from employee. So it will be tan value of salary. If I write tan of 0, see it will be 0. Okay, clear. So we have understood absolute function, ABS, round value, round, square root value, SQRT, sign value for getting positive sign or negative sign. To make any power, you have to use power function. For ceiling, sill, for floor, you have to use floor function, exponent, exp, sine, cos, tan. Okay, so these are the mathematical functions which are used in SQL. Okay, bye, happy learning.